The Aged Care Royal Commission has heard about 100 assaults are reported in aged care facilities across Australia every day. The Commission today took evidence from a new safety watchdog which says it's struggling to manage an influx of complaints.
Widespread abuse at Adelaide's Oakden nursing home prompted a massive overhaul of the way aged care complaints were handled. Just weeks into the new system, the new regulatory watchdog is feeling the burden of expectation.
We have seen a very strong surge in the number of complaints received, which of course is putting a little bit of pressure on my complaints officers.
She expects most complaints to be addressed within 3 months of being made. While the new complaints body says it expects all providers to take responsibility for the performance of their staff, the Royal Commission was told federal funding could also be affecting the quality of care. It heard aged care funding was frozen 3 years ago because the Health Department believed providers were overclaiming to maximise revenue. But there was no analysis on how that funding freeze was affecting people living in aged care homes.
Council, there hasn't been a direct assessment of the impact of the ACFI funding changes on quality and safety.
The Royal Commission heard there was more than 3,700 assaults reported in aged care facilities last financial year. 26 sanctions were imposed, but Commonwealth officials couldn't say whether more abuse cases were not brought to the government's attention. The Health Department Secretary said she saw some merit in having a national database of aged care workers to weed out problematic employees, but that CCTV in aged care homes was a more contentious issue. Candice Prosser, ABC News, Adelaide.